In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a contact in Pipedrive. We'll walk through a quick, simple process so you can clean up your contact list and keep your CRM organized. Even though this is a short workflow, I'll talk through each click so you feel confident about what you're doing before you remove anything. First, make sure you're logged into your Pipedrive account and looking at the main dashboard. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a vertical menu bar. Look for the contacts icon there. This is where all of your people and organizations are stored. Go ahead and click on the contacts icon to open your contact list. Once the contacts view loads, you'll see a list of people in a table format, usually with columns like name, organization, email, and so on. Take a moment to locate the specific person you want to remove. You can scroll through the list, or if you have a long list of contacts, it may be easier to use the search bar at the top of the page to quickly find that person. When you've found the correct contact, look to the far left of their row. You'll see a small checkbox next to their name. Carefully check the box for the person you want to delete. It's important to double-check that you've selected the right contact, because deleting someone will remove them from your Pipedrive account and could affect any deals or activities linked to them. After you've selected the contact, look toward the top right corner of the contact list. You'll see a trash can icon, which represents the delete action. With the contact still selected, click on the trash can icon. This tells Pipedrive that you want to remove the contact you just checked. As a safety measure, Pipedrive will now ask you to confirm that you really want to delete this contact. A small confirmation window will appear, usually with a message warning that this action cannot be easily undone. Take a second to read it and confirm once more that you've selected the correct person. When you're sure, click the delete button in that confirmation window. The contact will be removed from your list and you'll be taken back to the main contacts view, now without that entry. That's all it takes to delete a contact in Pipedrive with just a few quick clicks.